Hi there, this is James from Burton Boat Sales. Just doing you a walk around video of the Dufour 36 Classic we have listed here for sale. She's called Stargazer 2. She's currently lying in our yard at Burton Waters in Ipswich. She's a lovely sized vessel at 36 foot. She's got the Volvo 30 horsepower Penta engine in her, and obviously you can see the configuration of the keel from the video here. Um, Recent works include the rigging was replaced in 2022, along with the propeller, which is a folding feathering prop on there. She's also had new batteries in 2024, so this year, yeah, so she's pretty much, apart from an anti-foul and going back in the water, she'd be pretty much ready to sail. So what I'm going to do is just take you around the outside of the boat below the waterline to start with. Obviously gives you a good idea of hull condition and everything else. And then what we'll do is we'll climb the ladder, have a look around the decks, and we'll go from there. So there we go. So what we'll do is we'll pop aboard and let's have a look at the deck layout and the cockpit and so forth. Really good boat, popular boat Dufour. Been in the marine industry a very long time. My parents' first boat was actually a Dufour as well. So good childhood memories of them. So as you can see here, we're at the cockpit. On the helm here, you've got your autopilot, bow thruster, speed and depth log, and also an Axiom chart plotter. So the good thing with this boat is the fact that the actual chart navigation equipment has been recently updated, which is really nice to see. She's also got the rails so that you can enclose the whole of the cockpit area on the boat, and she's got some teak in there as well, which is nice. Just takes that reflection away when you are underway on a bright sunny day. Sun has just come out here in Ipswich, which is first for a little while. So looking up the decks here, you've got good access points onto the boat from the side as well as the stern, and as you can see, you've got a lovely wide deck axis. You've got in-furling, mast furling main, and I'll just take you up there. You can see a Raymarine radar as well, and then you've got furling genoa on well there as well. As you can see, good access on the decks, nice and wide, plenty of space to even put a tender perhaps up there on the bow as well, or you can have it just trailing along behind you. Canopy looks in fairly good condition as well. Got good storage lockers just on the port and aft sides of the boat here, and as we slip down you can see that all the lines, reefing and everything all comes back into the cockpit, so which is really nice to see. So let's step down into the boat. Obviously the video is just to give you a brief idea of the boat itself, but as you can see, it's quite a nice staircase. It's not too steep, nice and easy access, and it brings you down into this lovely shaped saloon. Good seating in area in here, nice for a good sort of, well, up to sort of 6 people on the boat really. And then as we come round, you've got your navigation table, chart table, again with the repeated Raymarine Axiom chart plotter, and obviously an updated depth and speed log. Got VHF with DCS up here and some the older equipment as well, and obviously all your controls and everything. Nice chart plotter. What to bear in mind is, of course, that this navigation equipment on a boat of this age has been updated already. It's a very expensive option to then go and put on a boat. So when you're looking at the boat on the market, just bear that in mind, that you haven't got to update the navigation equipment on the boat. She's also equipped with a Webesto heating unit with a 7-day programmer as well. And if we come to the opposite side, onto the starboard side, we then have this lovely, really usable galley. As you can see, you've got plenty of worktop space here as well. Obviously, you've got your gas oven with your 2-burner stove, and we've also got your top loading fridge as well. Plenty of storage along here, plenty of places to put things. Nice big storage cover to put your wet gear, your life jackets and so forth. And then moving around, you've then got your head with obviously a sea toilet, and again plenty of space in there for a shower, good height, and there is also hooks and so forth in here and a rail to be able to hang your wet clothing if you've been out on a rather inclement weather day. So just coming round, we'll head forward and up to the master cabin. Up here you've got a double berth, which is onto the port side of the boat. Plenty of storage again in here. Nice big wardrobe space here on the starboard side, as you can see, and a little seating area as well. So if you have got guests on the boat, really nice because you can have the opportunity to have your own space with sitting down and so forth. And we've also got a manual pump water here, which I'm assuming will be either seawater or fresh water. I would need to check that in the details of the boat. It's coming around, really nice layout in here, as I said. And then if we come back, we've then got your aft cabin. Again, enough space as a double. And as you can see here, there is plenty of space. It's obviously got some bits and pieces in here at the moment, covers for windows and such like. The boat also has a solar panel on the roof, and it's got all its control power management for it just in here as well. And again, more storage, and then as we come down, your isolators and so forth. So it offers a lot of space in here. Really is a nice, even with the window, side window curtains across, still feels nice and light. Plenty of stowage on here as well, which is really nice to see. And then if we just pop ourselves, well, if I just pop backward, it'll give you a better idea of that staircase back up into the cockpit. And as you can see, it looks very comfortable to walk up. Good holding points. So if you are heeling over, very, very comfortable to come up back into the cockpit. And you've also got your cockpit table that folds out, which is just there as well. It's got the cushions, so make it nice and comfortable here in the cockpit. And as you can see, that's the access to your lockers. Plus the gas bottle is kept on the stern there, and the space to put a life raft under there as well, which is right on the stern of the boat. The boat is also equipped with a wind generator, which is just here, as you can see. So again, if you are looking to do some long distance sailing, you can at least still keep some power in your batteries. You haven't got to worry about that. Really is a nice setup, and again, another expensive cost item. You've also got your bracket here to put your outboard auxiliary engine on as well. But as I say, overall, nice size of boat, nice layout, nice having the in-mast reefing. Makes life a lot easier, especially if you're looking to do it single-handed as well. So hopefully the video just gives you an idea of the condition and the feel of the boat. And as I say, if you have any questions, please give us a call. My name's James, and we look forward to hearing from you. Many thanks.